Feeling lost while preparing for NEET PG or INI CET, struggling with bulky notes, solving random questions, or doubting if you are on the right track? Trust me, I have been there. Hello and namaste everyone. I am Dr. Akhil Tambi and I have secured an All India rank of 6 in INI CET November 2024 and 284 in NEET PG 2024, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to help you save your precious time and energy by sharing the perfect way to create high yield notes that are powerful, confidence boosting, and most importantly easy to revise in the final leg of your preparation. If you have been feeling overwhelmed, don't worry, you are not alone. I faced the same challenges during my journey, but I discovered the efficient strategy that transformed my preparation, and I will be sharing it exactly with you in this video. So stick around till the end and let me know in the comments below if you are facing the same issues or any other hurdles in your day-to-day preparation. This is the only video you will need to align your strategy, build the right mindset, and stay motivated throughout your journey. So let's cut the clutter, focus on what truly matters, and work towards your dream. Ready? Let's get started. First, let me tell you why concise notes are so important. They make revision fast and effective, especially in the last month or 10 days before the exam. They help you focus on high-yield information while skipping the irrelevant details. And most importantly, they build your confidence by giving you clarity and direction. But here's the catch. Everyone knows what to do: study, revise, and solve questions. But very few know how to do it the right way. And that's exactly what I will show you in this video. Before diving into the process, let's talk about what you should avoid. Number 1, bulky notes. Writing down every single detail without filtering. Random question solving. Solving random questions from Q banks without connecting them back to your notes. Directionless hard work. Doing too much without knowing if it's aligned with the exam's pattern or not. If you have been doing any of these, don't worry, you are not alone. I made these mistakes too, and once I fixed them, my preparation completely transformed.
Now, here's the ultimate process to make concise, high impact notes. First, read your source. Start with your main notes or live lecture notes or any revision material, be it BTR, DVT, Vibe, or rapid revision. Take anything. Just quickly go through them and understand the basics. Second step, solve the custom modules. You can use apps like Marrow, Prep Ladder, or any other app that you have to solve the previous year questions of the specific topic of the subject that you are studying. Focus on the NEET PG and INI CET PYQs by using hashtags and organize them. Step 3. Highlight and annotate. Now, there are two groups of students. One who use digital notes and other who use hard copy notes. So first, let's talk about how to highlight and annotate your digital notes. So you have to use the split screen method, which I considered a game changer in organizing your notes effectively and aligning them with your PYQs.
So what you have to do is to open your question module or PYQs on one side of the screen and your notes on the other side of the screen. And you have to attempt a question and assess. So this question was regarding rotenone and inhibition of which of the following was likely cause of a death. So rotenone inhibits the enzyme NADHQ oxidoreductase, as I think. Yes, so it is the right answer. And I see that questions from ETC have been repeated multiple times. So in ETC I have highlighted rotenone, and in rotenone I will highlight it and write NEET as the tag so that in future whenever I read I see that this question has been asked in NEET and should not go wrong. Another question that I solved was regarding the blockage of respiration. Which substance is responsible for respiration blockage? So I marked the answer as 2,4-dinitrophenol, but suddenly I realized that the answer was oligomycin. So what I did, I just took a screenshot of this question and I annotated it into my notes. And specifically the point that I got wrong, I mentioned it. Like respiration is blocked, that means oxidative phosphorylation has been blocked. So what I did, I just took the screenshot of this question and pasted it in my notes in the respective section of ETC, so that in future whenever I see this question, I revisit these tricky areas in the future revisions. If a question introduces you to new knowledge not covered in your notes, just take a screenshot or summarize it concisely and add it to your notes in the appropriate section. Like in this question, it was asking a paradoxical carrier is defined as, so the answer was a carrier who required pathogen from another carrier, but I marked it a person who sheds pathogens during incubation period, which is absolutely wrong, and this is what is known as the incubator carriers. By following this process, your notes will become the one-stop solution, fully integrated with the most important, repeated and high-yield concepts while eliminating the unnecessary bulk. This approach ensures your preparation is not only thorough but also exam-focused. It will also help you filter the irrelevant information. Remember the information that has been asked in the PYQs or is conceptually tricky. Cut down on anything that feels extra or irrelevant.
If you use hard copy notes, then you have to follow similar strategy. Just open and solve PYQs in your tab and open your copy in front on your desk and highlight the PYQs and PYTs in your notes along with the things that you are not able to remember but are very important.
So in my hard copy notes of micro, you can see how I have highlighted the informations that are confusing or has been asked in the previous NEET or AIIMS examinations, so that in the future my revision becomes very efficient and I can revise many important things in a short span of time in the last few days of the examination. In adenovirus, types and their diseases is confusing, so I have highlighted that. In parvovirus, the questions have been repeated multiple times on P antigen, erythema infectiosum, aplastic crisis in sickle cell anemia, hereditary spherocytosis, non-immune fetal hydrops. So I have highlighted all these points. In trypanosoma also, you can see I have highlighted the bug, the vector, the Romanas sign, benzimidazole, CC fly, winterbottom sign, suramin, respectively for Cruzi and Brucey. And you can see in Plasmodium also what all questions have been asked. I have highlighted them beautifully. And further also in Chromoblastomycosis also you can see I have highlighted the sclerotic body, the medullary body, nematoecious fungi, and these are the questions which are asked repeatedly and will be asked in the future examinations also. In my hard copy notes of anatomy that I did from Ashwini sir, you can see I have highlighted the points from the femoral link, the medial lateral relations, and femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve, cremasteric reflex, which has been a PYQ multiple times. I have highlighted all the important informations that is a potential question. You can see on this page I have highlighted the absence of pleuroperitoneal canal can lead to congenital diaphragmatic hernia, which is more common on left than the right, and that is what is known as the bucadelic foramen on the left side. Structures passing through the central tendon have been asked multiple times, so I have highlighted it and remembered it very well because it is a prospective PYQ also.
This process ensures that your notes are tailored to the exam's requirements and are ready for quick revision. Believe me, it will save you so much time and frustration later on in your preparation. The key to success isn't just studying, it's improving your mistakes. Revise your notes repeatedly. Focus on topics or concepts you have struggled with. Make it a habit to eliminate your weak areas with every revision. Remember, success is about consistent progress, not perfection. You might be thinking, will this work for the notes I already have? The answer is yes. Whether you are using the main notes or short sources like Rapid Revision Notes, BTR, DVT, this method works for all. The process stays the same, but the magic is in connecting the notes, PYQs and revisions into one seamless loop.
I followed this exact approach in subjects like anatomy, microbiology, ENT, PSM, and many more. Yes, it takes time, but it's worth it. Every time I revised my annotated notes, I felt more confident and more prepared. And when the exam day came, I knew I had covered everything important.
So, here's what I want you to do. Pick your notes, any source you are comfortable with. Solve PYQs for that topic and that subject and start annotating it. Repeat this process for every topic in every subject, and by the end you will have your own concise and powerful notes that are exam ready. And to make your life easier, I have done something for you. I have created custom PYQ modules topic wise for every subject, along with flashcards and confusing PYQs and PYTs, which is all available in my Telegram channel, and you can join it for free using the link in the description.
These modules will give you the sense of completion you need to stay motivated and focused.
Friends, preparing for NEET PG or INICT is tough, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can crack it. If this video added value to your preparation, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, as it takes a lot of efforts in making this video for you, and your support matters to me a lot. Together, let's make preparation easier for everyone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and all the best.